I am very excited to be unboxing this package. This will be my first ever Swiss watch and it is a vintage piece. Can you guess what it is? Alright, it is the Rado Manhattan 1967. I really like to collect vintage piece because as the years go by, it will definitely be more and more rare. So yes, as for my first Swiss vintage piece, I am very excited to have this to be part of my collection. And it's very unique as well. It's very squarish, very TV shaped. Yeah, to have the piece of history on your hand, that says something. I have no words to to say anything else other than to being very excited. As for the movement, I don't have much information what is the movement inside this Rado Manhattan watch, but I can say that it's a Swiss movement because when I try searching it online, there's not much detail into it. So yeah, everything is original. This is like a mesh strap. I don't think any of the links have been removed when I got this from the seller. And I got the white dial version. You can see that there's a little bit of a patina inside already, very unique. Now let's move on to the specification. And when I mean by specification, I'm talking about the size. From the dial size, it's around 33 millimeter in diameter, and lug to lug, from here, let's see, you'll be around 40. I don't know, it looks like it's 40, around 40 to 41. And the lug size, around 20. Alright, so there you have it, my first Swiss vintage piece, and a unique one as well, the Rado Manhattan from the 1960s, and if I'm not mistaken, from the 1967. And I think I might change the strap to the aftermarket one. I'm not so sure yet, but let me show you how this watch will look like on my wrist, and let's do a wrist roll of this. Right, so this is how it looked like on the wrist. Very fancy. It's a bit loose. I will need to remove a few links, but I'm not so sure how to remove this type. But yeah, anyway, let's have a wrist shot. There we go. Damn, looks really good on my wrist. It doesn't look too huge. Yeah, overall I'm satisfied with the purchase. Right, another one. Damn. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. This is Joshua Loves Watches signing off.